Hi, in this video I'm going to discuss what is Metamask and how to install Metamask and how to restore Metamask. To understand everything, you need to understand what is wallet address, what is private key, what is public key. So if you are new to cryptocurrency and you don't have this knowledge, please check my previous videos. I will put a link in the description. Metamask, it is actually a crypto wallet. So this crypto wallet, it is created by them and it is not related with Facebook. So it is open source software. It is actually a software crypto wallet. There are actually hardware crypto wallets. So I will discuss actually how the hardware crypto wallet is different than this one in this video also. So let's begin. To install Metamask, you need to go to this URL. Always actually type this URL by yourself, don't click any link. So this is the URL, metamask.io. You need to have Google Chrome installed. So without Google Chrome, there are actually version, but I think officially they only support Google Chrome. So now to install it, go to this website, click download for Google Chrome, and then click add to Chrome, click add extension, and it will download this extension for you and install it. Okay, so now Metamask is installed. So if you go to their extension, you see that there is a Metamask. So we'll click get started. We click create wallet, agree, and type a password. So it need to be at least 8 characters long, and write this password somewhere. We need this password later on. So then click create, click next, click here, and it will actually give you some recovery words that you need to restore Metamask. So let me write it here and click next. So you just need to confirm it. So what you need to do is you need to layer is the first one. What I did, actually I already clicked this word for you, and the last word is the wheel. So I have clicked all of them and then click confirm, click all done. When you do that, you can actually go to account details. This is actually your wallet address, this is public address. So let me put this wallet address here, and this is our wallet address. Let me put it on the screen. And we need the private key because we know that for every public key or wallet address there is a private key, right? So there is a unique private key. Confirm. So let me copy this thing. So this is our private key. So we need to keep this one. This one is the most important part. So you have to save it somewhere so that you don't lose it. So if you lose it, you'll not able to access to your wallet. Okay. So also let me create another account. Go here, create account. Account name does not matter. Click create, and it will create another account for us. So if we go to account details. This is our wallet address, and for private key, so this is our private key. Okay, so see, this private key is totally different than this private key, and this private key will only generate this wallet address. This private key will only generate this wallet address. Okay, now we know how to install Metamask. So to buy or send cryptocurrency, you can click this link and go through it. I'm not going to show it to you because that is not the part of this tutorial. Now you have the wallet address and private key. So, and also you need to remember that you are actually selected Ethereum mainnet. So this wallet address is valid for Ethereum mainnet. So even though it is valid for testnet also, but just to remember that you always click Ethereum mainnet when you do the real transactions. All right. So Ethereum mainnet is the one actually you need to pay real money to buy or sell Ethereum. Okay, so there are also testnet. So if I say like show testnet, and if I go there, so there are actually, these are actually testnet. So whatever thing you do in this testnet, it is not valid. So if someone sell you Ethereum in the testnet, it is not like, you cannot actually use it. It is not a real Ethereum, so be careful. It is always the Ethereum mainnet, and if you buy any Ethereum or sell any Ethereum, so always make sure that you are using the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, so now we have the Metamask wallet installed, and how to restore the Metamask. Let's say you are in a different computer, or you cannot access your previous computer. You need to access to your wallet. So how do you do that? So first of all, definitely I said that you have the copy of this private key. You can also copy the wallet address if you want to, but private key is the most important part. So you'll copy this thing, and let me simulate this thing. Let me delete Metamask, remove it. Okay, so Metamask is gone. So how to get this wallet address? For that, we'll click add to Chrome again, add extension. Okay, now I install Metamask. So now you are doing the restoration. So to restore Metamask, you'll click here. No, I already have a recovery phrase, because you have the recovery phrase. Click import wallet, click agree, and just copy this thing, and you can paste it. So I can just paste it here. It will fill everything up. So the last one is a will, and first one is a liar. So first one and last one. So this password doesn't have to be your previous password. So if you forget your previous password, doesn't matter, as long as you have the private key, you can access to your wallet. Okay, so always remember, you have to know your private key. Without that, you cannot access to your wallet. Okay, now let me add the password here. Click import. So if you go here now, account details, you'll see that this account wallet is exactly same as this one, ed 093 956. This is exactly same as this one, right? So what happened? Is that, like, when you provide this word to MetaMask, they have an algorithm. It actually, for these words, they will generate this private key, and obviously once you have the private key, you can get the public key. Okay, so this is what happened at the behind. And but if you go to your account, you will not see the account 2, because these words are only true for this account, this wallet address, so we'll not able to access the account 2. So what to do in that case? We know the private key. We'll copy this thing, we'll create a import account, select private key, click paste, import, and now if I go to account details, you will see that it able to actually restore your wallet address. So if you say 2DBD and 1D9, okay, so it is exactly the same as this. So that's why I'm telling you again and again that private key is very important part. So obviously you you actually really don't need this thing also, but this thing is the most important part. Let me show you what I meant. So if I go to MetaMask and if I delete this thing, remove, let me install it again. Okay, so I reinstall MetaMask. Let's say you install MetaMask on another computer, click get started. So let's say you don't remember this words, okay, so you don't know this word, but you have the private key. So we'll click create a wallet, click agree, click next, click secret word. So let me do one thing here. So this is secret word for this one. So see, this secret word is different. So it is always different for every computer. So it is very difficult to actually guess the word, and not only the word, you also need to guess the the ordering. So edit will come at the first thing, and then gallery. So it is difficult to guess, and it is quite secure to do. Okay, so now I'll click confirm, and all done. So now what happened that where is our this wallet address? So if I go there, go to account details, this is a different wallet address. Okay, so let me copy it and paste it here. So this address is totally different, because this address is linked with this word, and this word will generate a private key, and that private key will generate this wallet address. Okay, so how to get this wallet address? All you need to do is you need to copy this thing, import account, paste, import. So if I now copy this one and if I paste it here, I'll see that this is exactly same as this thing. So what I meant is that this word For MetaMask it's not important, for other wallet it is important. Okay, I'm telling you why now, but let's say for MetaMask this one is not important. But if you use other wallet, so people, you may heard about the Ledger Nano wallet and other wallets. Okay, so hardware wallet. So when you have this hardware wallet, you will not able to actually, they will not tell you the private key. As a result, maybe in the latest version they will tell you, but I don't know. But if you don't know the private key, then it will be very difficult for you to actually to restore it. So in that case, they will actually give you words like this. So this word is very important for Ledger Nano or any other hardware wallet, because without those words they will not able to restore your wallet address. As you can understand from here is that like doesn't matter. So if you, let's say if you are using a Ledger Nano hardware wallet and then they give you some sort of word like this, and then you lost that wallet or it is damaged, that wallet is damaged, you cannot access it. So what will happen? Then you will buy another wallet called Ledger Nano, another wallet, and in that wallet you will provide your word. So obviously that will be a different word. Okay, so that will be different thing. Maybe they will give you something else, something else, something else. So those words you need to actually put it to your hardware wallet. So when you do this thing, at the background they will create a private key, and then they will able to access give you access to the wallet. Okay, so obviously to sum it up, in MetaMask these words are not that important. Only important part is you need to know about the private key of each of your wallet. But for hardware wallet or any other wallet that doesn't provide you the private key, you have to know the words. Okay, you need to know actually the ordering of the words. So you need to know which word come first, which one comes second, third, fourth, fifth. So you need to know the ordering also, else they will not able to restore your wallet address. So now this is actually, I'm talking about hardware wallet and MetaMask. So what exactly difference with the exchanges? So if you go to coin market cap and click export exchanges, you see that lots of exchanges listed here. So these exchanges will not provide you the private key. This is actually a bad thing. Will not able to get your private key from the exchanges. So what if they get hacked? So if they get hacked, and you may lose your money. Okay, because you don't have any control to that exchanges. So let's say you bought $1 million Bitcoin in Binance. So people suggest that once you have that amount of money, well, let's say $1 million, you will buy a hardware wallet, and hardware wallet will give you these words. So you'll write this word somewhere, and then in the crypto exchanges there is a option for send cryptocurrency. So you will send those cryptocurrency to your wallet. Okay, so now the most important part is any wallet address is not valid. So the one that MetaMask create, these are only valid. Okay, so remember this thing again, these are only valid for Ethereum and the coins that are based on Ethereum. Okay, so let's say Ethereum, this is the one ETH, and I also know that there is another coin. There are lots of coin actually based on Ethereum. So I know the Polygon Matic, this is also based on Ethereum. So if it is based on Ethereum, one of the easiest way to know, actually, they should have a Ethereum contract. So if when you click here, you will actually see it is going to Etherscan, and you will see some sort of value here, so maximum total supply and holders, something like that. So in this way, you know actually this is Ethereum compatible. So let's say you have Bitcoin and you install a MetaMask and you send your Bitcoin to this address, that money will be gone. Okay, so that money will be totally gone. You'll not able to access it anyway. Nobody can access it, the money, because that money is going to an invalid address. So what happens when you send your letter to invalid address? It is gone, right? Similar things happen. So you cannot send your Bitcoin to MetaMask. So Bitcoin has its own wallet, or if you use Ledger, or obviously this video is not sponsored by Ledger or anything, but I'm just showing you that if you use any hardware wallet, they actually will provide you with a Bitcoin address, and that Bitcoin address you need to use to this cryptocurrency exchanges to send money to that Bitcoin addresses. Okay, so remember it again, that you have to make sure that your wallet address is compatible with Ethereum, because you are using MetaMask. If you use something else, let's say you are using Solana is a different technology. So Solana is totally different than MetaMask, than Ethereum. So Ethereum, as far as I know, that Ethereum you cannot actually send it to Solana. They need to have some sort of another software application that actually convert that Ethereum to Solana, but you cannot actually send and receive using your Ethereum wallet address. Okay, so always make sure that whatever coins or tokens you're using, that is compatible with Ethereum. So they call it in the Ethereum, or they call it as EVM, Ethereum virtual machine. So if that coin is not compatible, does not support Ethereum virtual machine, in that case you cannot use MetaMask. Okay, so this is how we know, like now we know that how to install and restore MetaMask. So next video I will show you how to not get hacked when you use your MetaMask wallet, because I saw lots of videos where people get hacked because they don't actually understand what is going on at the back, and as a result it is like, if you don't have the full idea, then you will get hacked. Okay, so I will create another video. Please like and subscribe to this video, to this channel. This is a new channel, and if you like or subscribe and comment on this channel, it will help me to grow. Thank you.